Given that the area is 99 millimeters squared, we need to find the length of this hypotenuse. So if we use the formula for the area as being base times the height divided by 2, we need to identify which is the base. The base has to be 90 degrees perpendicular to the height. We have over here one length, which is 18. The perpendicular line to this is the one which is heading down. And this must be considered to be the other line that we need. So we can use this line here, 18 millimeters, as a base. And a perpendicular line, we could use that as the height. And I will name this H for height. Although it would not be inappropriate for me to use the 18 millimeters as the height and this as a base. But in this particular case, I'm using H as a height and B here will be the base, which is 18 millimeters. So all we're left with is to substitute this into this formula over here. Now we know that the area is 99 millimeters squared. We know that the base is 18 millimeters, but we don't know what H is. And now we need to divide it by 2. So we delete the 2 by multiplying 99 by 2. And this is equal to 198. Which now equals 18 times H. We remove the 18 as well, and it turns out that H is equal to a very nice number, which is equal to 11. But we need to find X. So how do we find X? It's a right angle triangle, and X is what we call the hypotenuse of that triangle. And the only way we could do that is using our Pythagoras theorem. So if we name this side to be C, and this side A, and this side B, the hypotenuse theorem would say that C squared is equal to A squared plus B squared. And that would mean that C is equal to the root of A squared plus B squared. And so if A is equal to 11, we have 11 squared plus 18 squared. Now we use a calculator. And this gives us not such a nice number because it'll be decimal number 21.1. And remember to put that is millimeters. And you'll find this problem in Year 10 Mathematics.